The 18th question. The question is again from polity and from directive principle. So if I'm not wrong, then it is second question, which is related to DPSP, directive principle, but it is not mentioned as directive principle. It is mentioned as part 4 of the Constitution. So the question says like that with reference to the provisions contained in the part 4 of the Constitution of India, which of the following statements are correct? So part 4 is the DPSP. Part 1 is union and its territory. Part 2 is citizenship. Part 3 is about fundamental rights. Part 4 is about DPSP, directive principles of state policies, and part 4A is about fundamental duties. So at least these things an aspirant must remember or must know. These are must know things. Okay, ये तो पता ही होनी चाहिए कि part 4 is the DPSP, part 3 क्या है, part 4A क्या है. So there are three statements with respect to part 4. They shall be enforceable by courts. They shall not be enforceable by any court. The principle laid down in this part are to influence the making of laws by the state. So question ये पूछ रहा है कि DPSP का actually status क्या है. सबसे पहली बात, are they justiciable or not? So the question answer is they are non-justiciable. Non-justiciable. तो अगर non-justiciable हैं तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? They cannot be enforced by any court. Okay, so they are not enforceable by any court. The statement is correct and statement 1 is incorrect. This is eliminated and this is eliminated. So we have either option B or option C. Now we need to find out whether statement 3 is correct or not. Statement 3 is definitely correct, as we remember that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar pointed out that each and every government will have to make all the policies of governance in line with the articles mentioned in the DPSP or the provisions mentioned in the DPSP to remain in the power. तो ये बताया गया था, उन्होंने डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ने इसको इसी तरह कोट करा था कि बिना इन प्रिंसिपल्स के कोई भी गवर्नमेंट को चलाना मुश्किल होगा, बिकॉज these principles are related to socio-economic condition of the country. Okay, वेलफेयर अगर कहीं पे बात मेंशन है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में इंडिविजुअल की और सिटीजन्स की, then it is mentioned in only this part. So statement 3 is correct. So according to that, we can comfortably say that option D is the correct answer. First, we need to know that what is part 4. Unless we don't know what is part 4, we may not be able to solve the question correctly. And once we know that part 4 is DPSP, then we all know what are the characteristics of DPSPs. So based on that, the question was very basic in nature. कोई बहुत ज्यादा इसमें लॉजिक नहीं चाहिए था. I think 99 to 100% aspirant would have solved it correctly. अगर कोई ब्लंडर नहीं किया होगा तो ये सॉल्व हो गया होगा. So let's see the answer and explanation. So this is the answer and this is the explanation given here. That DPSP are enumerated in part 4 of the Constitution from 36 to 51. These are non-justiciable in nature and it shall be the duty of the state to apply these principles in making laws. So statement 2 and statement 3 are correct. So this was our question related to DPSP.